Man, that just cuts right out. Called the sidewalk user. I got power, but I got no control. Take the cover off. Shut the bad boy down. Turn on. And I got control. Super fast. Like Whaley on 3S. Problem with this bad boy is it don't go straight. It's not trusted. And that's DEERC. Now don't cut off. Go figure this bad boy out. Before I blow up, let me disconnect. My lead just basically came right off. So that's the end of this connector. Maybe that was my issue, but I wore it out. I'm gonna go back to my 2S battery. And this thing just, does what it wants. Can't do anything if you don't have any power in it, right? Gotta put a battery. So the battery's in. Normally I hit the on switch over here by the outside. There we go. You know what's gonna happen on the first jump? It's gonna die out on me. So let's go set up. Go have some fun. Here we go. That's the way it goes. It wants to be next to you. So let's go for a jump. Here's the fun. Now we got some problems. It's doing some unnatural flips and everything. Normally it goes pretty good and controllable. So let's see if we can control it now. There we go. Now we can control it. It's still not controllable at fast. So we'll figure out why it's going all over the place. The battery's in place correctly. The receiver just goes all over the place, even though it's Velcro. And that's an airplane Velcro. So there is some weight differential happening. I'm not sure why. I use a rubber band versus using the clips. At least I know the rubber band breaks, I just replace it. Those clips, they're going to cost you. Set them up. Try go for another jump. Oh, walk, walk, walk. That's all we ever do. Well, this is not the best of the hobby of this h16E. There we go. Walk back and forth. The DEERC h16E is not my favorite truck. Not at all. It doesn't hold straight. Seems that the servo, not the best in the world, man. If I change out the servo and I change out the receiver and I change out the transmitter, I'd probably be better off. There we go. Now I gotta go walk again. That was a nice crash towards the camera, right? Walk and learn. Learn and walk. Ride, crash, and repeat. At least it don't break. The only thing that broke right now is my, right back here. Don't ask me how that broke. It just basically separated and broke. Is it going to stop me? I'm not sure. Probably will. Everything snapped off of the ride. Is this going to fall off? I'm not sure. Look at that bad boy. Really didn't do much to break it. It says indestructible. Not really. Oh, I didn't mean to hit me. Just loves going next to me. Well, that's the end of it. We're giving up. I had my fun coming here, crashing and all. I don't want to lose that back piece for the reason of those pins are sliding out. This is what's going to cause me a loss, cause me a scrape. We need to fix it before we do anything. This holds it. It holds it into place. I don't want to go any further. So maybe some JB welding, put that back on in its place and move on. We'll get out the Traxxas the next time. We'll have a great time with this bad boy. All right, shut off, please. Shut off. We're officially off. Go put this bad boy away. All right, so we're off. Got a little scooter ride. I'm going pretty fast now. I got to get back. I don't got much power. We'll rejuvenate for the springtime. Well, as always, that h16E, whatever it's named anymore, got a broken part. I'm not going to bother to buy a part to fix it. I'm not having good luck with it. It don't stare straight to begin with. It hit me a couple of times on a jump. The first time it didn't do that. Things are supposed to go straight, right? Like I'm riding here, it's supposed to go straight. But I've been on for at least 8 seconds and I'm not locked on full speed. I gotta watch out. Thank you. So we pass safely, we move on. I'm having a good time. It's nice and cold. Good time for a little scooter ride because the next day it ain't gonna be nice to be out. We're trying to get to 15 and I can't get to 15. I hate doing this. I hate doing this. All right, I'm stuck on 15 now. I'd really love to get a seat for this bad boy. GoTrax. Maybe I'll get a GoTrax e-bike. Maybe I'll look for a seat and then build one. I should do a time lapse, motion lapse. I'm going to end it anyway over here and say, hey, it's been a great time having fun. Scooter ride, man. Get down nice and low. Be aerodynamic, right? Oh, I gotta slow down. I don't know why we do things like this and make it hard for us to just go buy things. But that's the way things are in life. Am I riding the yellow line pretty good? Nice and straight? Take some note there, DEERC. You know that Insta 1X2 to 1X3 where you put the camera in your mouth? Yeah, man. You got the nose thing. I had a good time. I hope you had a good time with me with the DEERC h16E. It is what it is when you're in this hobby. You have fun, you enjoy, and you continue on. And on that note, you know who I am. Catch you later.